Constitution means a set of basic rules followed by a country. The Constitution is prominent as it is the fundamental law of the country. There is a reference to the rights and duties of the citizens. Fundamental rights are the basic rights given to an individual by the Constitution for his development. They are the constitutional rights. Fundamental rights are important for social life. No one can violate these rights. In case of a violation, a person can approach a court of law. The Constitution of India has prominently provided 6 fundamental rights to all its citizens. All are equal before the law. The government cannot discriminate on the basis of religion, caste, sect, gender, or place of birth. It cannot restrict entry to shop, hotel, or recreational places to any of its citizens. It cannot even restrict anyone from using the public wells, tank, road, and resting places. All citizens have the equal opportunity to enter the government service. It cannot forbid anyone from entering the holy places and offer prayers. The right to freedom given in the Constitution provides right to speech and freedom of expression, right to participate in the peaceful public meeting, right to establish institutions and associations, right to travel throughout the country without any restriction, right to live in any part of India, right to take up any employment, business, or occupation. The objective of this right is to prevent exploitation of poor, women, children, and the weaker sections of the society. In order to restrict exploitation in the name of religion, caste, gender, and sect. Examples of this are, taking dowry is a punishable offense. Even the practice of bonded labor, child labor, is prohibited. The citizens of India have the right to accept and follow religion of their own choice. Everyone has the right to observe their religious practices, without disturbing peace, discipline, hygiene in mind. The Constitution also prohibits religious conversion by force, temptation, or by falsehoods. This fundamental right protects the cultural and educational interests of the minorities. People have right to protect their own language, script, or culture. The minorities have the right to establish educational institutions and manage them. A citizen has the right to approach the court of justice in the event of violation of the fundamental rights. This is known as the right to constitutional remedies. Other rights can be protected by way of protecting this right. In the event of violation of fundamental rights and duties, a writ petition can be filed either in the State High Court or the Supreme Court of India. The responsibility of an individual to his country is known as the duty. In case the people discharge their fundamental duties with self-motivation, the progress of the country becomes easier. Fundamental duties remind Indian citizens of their duty towards their society, fellow citizens, and the nation. 11 fundamental duties are included in the Constitution. To respect the Constitution, national flag, and national anthem. To follow the noble ideals that inspired our struggle for freedom. To protect the unity of India. To defend the motherland and render national service when called upon to do so. To promote the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India. To value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. To protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. To develop the scientific temper and the spirit of inquiry and reform. To safeguard public property and give up the violence. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activities, so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of achievement. The parents or the guardians should provide an opportunity for education to their children from the age of 6 to 14 years. Fundamental rights and duties inspire citizens and promote a sense of discipline and commitment among them. They warn citizens against anti-national and anti-social activities. These duties are a constant reminder to us of the national goals as well as the basic norms of political order.